Halika na. 1, 2. You want me to say 5 na? 5 means I'll go, okay? Are you scared of mom? Love din ni mom si Quentin. Come na. Do not cry there. Daming lalaki, oh. Do not cry there. Come na. Halika na. 1, 2. I will go. I'll go na. You want me to say 5 na? Yes. 5. 5 means I'll go, okay? So what will happen? You want mommy to go na? Yes. I leave you there? Because you don't like to ride the car? That is what you want? No. Okay, come na. Are you shy? Because umaarte ka? Oh, come na. You wear your slippers and you ride the car. Huh? So, I will go now. Okay pa? Okay, you stay here? Yes. Okay, you will sleep here. Okay pa? Okay, bye-bye. Mommy will go? Huh? Yes. Are you sure? No! Okay, you ride the car. Hi daw. Oh, ride the car na. Come on. Good boy. What? Are you scared of mom? Ah, you're scared. You're scared mom is mad. Okay. Quentin, look at me. Mom is not mad. Mom is... Okay, do not be. Okay, do not be. Are you crying because you're guilty? Mom is not mad. Okay, come here na. Come here na. Mom is not mad. Come here na. Come na. Bakit? Why don't you like to ride the car? Why? Are you scared? Yes. Of whom? You. Why are you scared? What? Why are you scared? Ha? Kay mom. Friends pa tayo? Come na. Come na. Let's... Gusto. Hindi mo ba love si ma'am? Hindi mo love si ma'am? Oh, halika na. Oh, love din ni ma'am si Quentin. Come na. Oh, do not cry. Do not cry there. Daming lalaki, oh. Do not cry there. Come na. Dito ka sa loob ng car mag-cry. Dito ka sa loob ng car mag-cry. Halika. You bring your things here, then you cry here. Come here. I'm not mad. Wear your watch or bring your watch. Come on. Good job. Yes. Di ba we had a good day? We had a good day. Nag-swimming tayo. Nag-eat ka. Di ba happy ka? O bakit ka nagka-cry ngayon? O kaya nga, we had a good day. Kaya let's go na. O you wear your watch. You wear your watch. Get your bag na. Let's go. Let's go na. Yes. Yes, good boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, let's go. You scared eh, alam ko eh. You're scared. Kay mom. Yung totoo. Okay, you put it in the back. You put it at the back, you sit down beside mom. Come on.
Fish?
Yes. Put your things at the back. Come on.
How was me?
I'm not bad.
Did our date?
Yes, I enjoyed our date. Come on, let's go put your...
Sorry.
Okay po.
Sorry.
Okay po. Oh, put there.
Ay.
Okay.
Kisimi?
Yes, come here.
Kisimi na, kisimi.
There, I can see you na.
Ikaw kisimi?
Yan. Okay ka na?
Yeah, but you kisimi?
Yes. Oh, you wear your seatbelts. What will you do if talagang iniwan kita?
No, I'm a mom na ba ikaw, Quintin?
Hindi, I'm your mom. You are my mom. I am your mom. Sabi mo, you are my mom.
Yeah, my mom.
Yes. You wear your seatbelts.
I'm a mother.
Bale. You. Sabi mo, you.
You're my mother.
Yes.
Ayaw mo sa now?
Hindi lang now. Kahit dati pa. Kahit nung bata ka pa.
Oh, bakit?
Saan na kita?
Sinaf ko.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Sino yung love mo?
Wala!
Wala pala.
Meron!
Sino?
Ikaw po.
Sino ang pinaka-inaartehan mo?
Wala lang.
Balisin yan. Sino ang pinaka-inaartehan mo? Mapapaos ka. Bakit ka umiiyak? Tama na. Paano kung iniwan kita? Ayan, iwan kita? O, kaya nga. O, tama na. Huwag kang gagano. Huwag kang sisi. Anong ayaw ni ma'am? Anong ayaw ni ma'am? Anong ayaw ni ma'am? Ano sinabi ko sa'yo? Mom doesn't like? Ano ayaw ni ma'am? Oh, anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Okay. Not shock. Ito tissue. Not shock.
Nasabat na!
Calm down.
Nasabat na!
Oh, you talk properly and slowly. Oo. Wala sa yung bibig mo. No more. Are you guilty?
No, mag-guilty na.
Alam mo ba sabihin ng guilty? Ha?
Sabanan.
Ha?
Sabanan.
What's the meaning of guilty? You feel na parang you have fault, you have kasalanan.
Yes.
You're guilty nga. Kaya you're crying.
No.
That's the reason you're crying kasi you feel you have kasalanan. Tama?
No, ang heart ko.
Yung heart mo. Ano yung heart mo, Quentin?
Ha?
What happened to your heart?
I feel happy.
You feel happy na? Ang bilis, no? Kanina lang malungkot, ngayon masaya na. Ngayon talagang ADHD. Extreme emotions. Okay. Tapos tinatanong ninyo, bakit parating mukha ako pagod pag wala akong makeup? Magkasama ko si Quentin.
Sino?
Sila, yung mga nanonood. Sinasabi nila, pagod na pagod daw ako pag aalaga sa'yo. Nakakapagod ka ba alagaan, Quentin? Anong nagsabi? Anong gagawin mo para hindi mapagod si Mama?
Po.
O, yan na naman.
Takwa.
Ano yan?
XX.
Quentin, nasan ka?
Wala.
Wala pala si Quentin, naiwan ko nga.
Hello?
Ano kayong mangyayari kung talagang iniwan ko si Quentin? Susunod iiwan ko talaga yun.
Bakit?
Hindi na patay. Quentin, guilty means you feel in your heart you did something wrong. That's why you're crying. That is the reason why you're crying after you did something. Okay? Understand?
No.
I know you understand. Ayan na, mag-seatbelts ka. Do you understand?
Yes.
Who's the love of mom?
Ako lang.
Who's the love of Quentin?
Ako.
Ikaw din? Sinong gustong inisin ni Quentin?
Ikaw.
Bakit bigla ka nagalit kanina? Alam mo ba kung bakit?
Bakit?
Hindi mo nga alam. Bakit nga yun, tell me?
I was shy.
Bakit bigla ka nagalit nung uuwi na tayo? Bakit bigla ka nagwala? Why? Tama ka, you were shy. Cause I was waiting for you in the pool and then I found out you were eating na. Kaya ka nagalit. Am I right?
Yeah.
You were shy. Tama. Tama yung shy. Now I realize. So in other words, napahiya ka. Feeling mo napahiya ka. So feeling mo magagalit na naman ako. Tama?
No naman nagalit. No naman.
No, hindi galit. Feeling mo napahiya ka lang? Is it, do you know the meaning of napahiya?
Shy.
Basta you were shy. Okay. Nakuha ko na yung trigger niya. Because you said kasi kanina you wanted to eat in the pool, but then you decided to eat there. No? Why? You're not allowed to eat in the pool?
No.
Who said? Si Quentin lang. Okay. Can we go home for a while?
Why?
I will bring someone with me. Ikaw mafi-finish kagad ng pa-cleaning. Diba?
Opo.
Eh ako hindi. So mauuna ka matapos. Pag natapos ka na, gusto mo na umuwi. Tama? Oh. Paano yun? So, magsasama ako ng tao
Sige po.
para maglakad ka na lang pa uwi. Okay po?
Sama ko.
Baka si Jane o kaya si Jet. Gusto mo ng ganyang car?
Saan?
Yan, no?
Ako sa starya.
Oh, sige.
Sa starya.
Sige. Bili mo ako, ha?
Alan.
Gusto ko yung ilan. Yabang, eh. May pambili ka kundi. Ha?
Wala.
Ikaw, paano? Ito nasabi ka pa ng ilan. Uwi muna tayo. Punta natin si Nini. Kawawa naman lola mo. Ha?
What's mo to?
Okay.
O sa mong kulay.
White.
Ito?
Ikaw, ano gusto mong kulay?
What na ko?
White ka rin. Okay po.
Ito?
Ayaw kang Porsche.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Forgive me.
I forgive you. Napapansin ko to Quentin, after tuwing mo magtatantrums, parang
Sorry.
sinusuhulan mo ako ng kotse.
No!
Okay.
Mercedes mo to?
Oh, sige, gusto ko na. Lahat ng offer mo sa akin gusto ko. Bili mo ako?
Yes.
Sige. Kailan?
Sit pa.
Kailan?
Later.
Late, mga what time?
2 o'clock.
12 o'clock na. Ano, bibis na ako? Bibili tayong Benz?
Ito na nga ako. Ito na nga.
Saan ang pambili mo?
Pera.
Paano ka bibili?
Wala rin.
So niloloko mo lang ako?
Yes.
Ba't mo ginagawa yan? Yung inuuto mo ako sa car, ba't mo yung ginagawa yan? You tell me. Why are you doing that? You're trying to divert the topic about the cars. Why are you doing that? You want mommy to be happy?
No offense.
No, what? You want mommy to...
Happy.
See?
Sa amin, I want to get more.
You won't do it again?
Yes.
Okay. High five.
Friends.
Okay.
Friends.
Ayoko ng friends. Kasi yung friends, parang friends.
Mas price.
Friends.
Alam, Kens.
I'm so
Ami.
happy.
How deep is our love?
No.
Ay, say.
Kasi matanda ka na.
Yeah.
Okay. Dapat may action din yan.
How deep is our love? I really mean to learn.
That we're...
Cause yun yun.
Ano?
Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down. One day I should let us be.
Ay nako. Bye guys. Ay, ba rin you are happy?
Bakit yun eh?
Gawin natin mabagal. Cause I am happy. For I am happy. The love of Jesus in my heart.
Forgive me?
I forgive you.
Really?
Yes. You know why?
Why?
Because I
Love me?
I love you. Ba't hindi nila kaya yung theme song natin? Every day's a blessing.
Wala, pag-consider mo hindi ko mag-consider.
The true gift
Is giving that you gave me more.
Every day's a blessing. The true gift is living. It might not be smooth sailing, yet every day is a blessing. Hi guys.
Ako to me?
Hindi nga, saya ko.